Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to upload your new website to your Acuity. The template I'm going to use in this sample is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. The link is going to be down below. It's super easy to edit on Canva and upload it to your Acuity website. So let's just get started. So after you finish editing your different sections, I have them all right here and they're edited the way that I want. I'm going to go ahead and hit the share button. Then I'm going to download the files. Acuity only allows you to upload a certain file size. So if your file is too large, it's going to ask you to resize them. So you can actually go ahead and do that straight from Canva before you even upload it to the website. What you do is adjust this size button right here. So you just bring it all the way down to 0.5. I'm going to leave it as PNG files. And then I'm going to make sure that all of my pages are selected. You can also download each page individually, but I'm going to be working pretty fast on here and I have a Mac, so it's easy to unzip all of the files right from here. So I'm going to go ahead and just download that. All right, so I have my files down here. They're in a zip folder. So for a Mac, in order to unzip it, you literally just click on it. It's super easy. I'm gonna go ahead, move that to my desktop. All right, so next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come over here to the Squarespace Scheduling or Acuity. And here's a couple little things that I can show you guys. So if you hit the monthly button, it's gonna change the layout. This is a previous design I did, you guys. It's going to change the scheduling layout on the bottom to the monthly view, but we can go ahead and leave it on daily. And what we're going to do is go down here. I have my logo uploaded. Yours should already be uploaded if you haven't done that already. And then I'm going to click this little insert image icon. And I'm going to upload each file one at a time. So I'm going to go to my folder here and I have the top banner labeled accordingly. And as soon as it's done loading, it's gonna show up right in here. I'm gonna click on the end and I'm gonna add just a few spaces. And then I'm gonna go ahead and upload the next one. And that is my hours banner, or my hours section. All right, make sure it's clicked on that side, add a couple spaces again. And then I'm gonna go ahead, add my policies and payment section. And there we go. A couple spaces again. And then my final section. All right, after I have all of my sections uploaded, I'm gonna go ahead and click and I'm gonna backspace to move the files closer to each other. All right. And then you can also change the colors on your page, but in order to do that, you have to go back up to the monthly view. When you click on the monthly view and you go all the way down, it gives you the options to change the body background, the scheduler background, scheduler text color, the button, all of that. So what I did before was I actually had this already set and it'll save those changes, or you can click the save button as well. And then when you go to the daily view, it's also going to keep those changes. So now that I have the banners uploaded, I'm going to save the changes. All right, and then I'm going to view it live. And everything's there. And that's it.